How to add insert picture in Google Docs. So click on this insert tab, image, and you can upload from computer. You can search online. You can also select from drive, photos, camera, and URL. So select any option and insert your picture. Once you double click on it, in image option there are some more settings like size and rotation, text wrapping, recolor adjustment, and alt text. Also, you can crop your picture by clicking here. That's it. Thanks for watching.